Is everybody ready to go to the opera? Let me hear it. Who's ready to go to the opera? It was middling. You gotta do better. We're recording this, all right? So, that's the spirit. Thank you, Rudy. You're section leader now. It's unpaid. Don't get excited. All right, so this is a short comedy based on the death of a government clerk by Chekhov. That's what we're going for. I don't know what he was going for. Jiwon Hahn composed the music. I wrote the libretto. Without further ado, we present Sneeze.
Excuse me, sir.
You? Yes. May I help you?
Sir, I've shamed myself and have come to offer properly a most sincere apology, you see.
Ha ha ha! Hilarious! Do you think he's part of the show? I usually hate immersive theater. Hilarious!
No, please do not mistake my groveling for some bourgeois farce, my heart.
Okay, that's enough. Do you want to tip? Are there union rules for roles like this?
Dear God, man. I mean, sir, allow me to explain.
Okay, my Uber's here. Best of luck with your career. Bye!
Best of luck with your career. I sneezed and splattered. I was in the second row, having fun. But in row one was a big bald head. And I sneezed and it splattered, and now I'm done. I'm done. I'm dead. Oh, God. You should have seen how gauche and foolish I've been. Sneezing and splattering, chattering and causing the scene. Droplets and glue, yes, making a huge mess, filling me with regret. on the schedule. Don't refuse me, sir. You see, I'm alluding to your head. You'll recall.
Oh my gosh, are you that guy from the opera?
I'm sorry, sir. It was my mistake. Please forgive me, and sorrier still I became. At the lights undimming, I saw your face.
Is this a prank?
And knew your rank.
Is this a scam? I cannot say. I even know this man.
How could I splatter?
Is this a joke?
Nasal batter.
A stroke?
The department has no
late. Look, young man, I have no time. Take a number, there's the line. Better yet, forgive and forget. Now be on your way. Good day.
I saw your face.
Good day.
And knew your brain.
On your way, I cannot stand. It's full of
How could I
Oh,
splatter?
I'm so sorry.
Nasal batter.
Party.
The department has no
Go home. If I see you again, I'm getting a restraining order.
I saw your
Is
face.
this a scam? Is this a joke? I do not even know the smoke. It drives me nuts. And I hope I keep grabbing by the throat. He says it's all that is like parties. Is this a scam? Is this a joke? I do not even know the smoke. I keep grabbing by the throat. I hope he takes it from me. Woo, that's hard. The department is shutting down.
The department has
Shutting down. That's it. Get out.
I had my sight. I cannot breathe, and nothing seems right. All is lost, and now I must pay the cost. Here in my lonely room, I prepare to meet my doom. Nature affords a coward mark. The fates have caught your thread. Screw your courage forward. March. Think of his head. Now the oozy weeds about to be breathed, whispering a name I can barely breathe. I wait for darkness alone to take me silently, finally, quietly home. Forgive me, Maria, into thy hands I commend my spirit.
Honey, do you want to do some mindfulness with me? Mark? Mark? Mark?